Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So you often ask me what lipstick I am wearing, and more often than not it will be the Charlotte Tilbury's Red Carpet Pink. This is my everyday lipstick, but it might look differently on different videos because I can change the look of it with different lip liners. So today I thought I'd show you how you only really need one favorite lipstick and you can change its look with choosing different lip liners. So here is the Red Carpet Pink. This is a cool tone nude pink. And on its own, it doesn't look much. But if you use different lip liners, it transforms it completely. So let me start with Pillow Talk Fair. This is very similar color to the lipstick. This won't change that much the look of the lipstick, but it will give my lip a definition. So if you choose something that is similar to the lipstick will remain the color there it is, but it will give your lip a bit more definition. So as you can see, this lip liner is more like my lips but better. And here what it looks like with the lipstick. So using a lip liner that is very similar to the lipstick will just give you this natural look and it won't change really the look of the lipstick. Let's take that off. I will have to use a bit of concealer and powder because some of those lip liners stay pretty well on, so I don't want the next one not to look true to color. Now my favorite combo is NYX Los Angeles lip liner, which I use with almost every lipstick apart from the really bright ones like red or bright pinks. But this can really change the look of your lipstick, and it also depends how you use it. So this one is cool brown. And when I'm using this one, I fill my lips a bit, especially in the corners, because if you just leave a thin lip liner and then put the lipstick on, you will have that 80s look where you can see where the lip liner ends and lipstick starts. So you need to blend it. Now I'm going to fill in the corners, and as you can see I draw this quite thick as well. And then let's apply the lipstick. And this is with the NYX Los Angeles. This lip liner is quite difficult to get here in the UK. I found a couple of websites that sell it. So this is Los Angeles, but I have some that are similar. I found this KIKO Precious lip liner in 505, and that one is quite similar. It's maybe slightly more mauvey. So this one on the top is the KIKO. Another similar one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Deep Taupe. It's right on the top. This one is slightly warmer, but they will all give you very similar look. What I can also do is, with the same lip liner, I can fill my lips completely. That also will make your lipstick stay for longer. And then put lipstick on top of that. And that gives you totally different look. It's a bit cooler with that brown undertone. And of course you can change it even further by applying a lip gloss. And of course, you don't have to buy the Charlotte Tilbury lip liners. You can buy any drugstore. Like I said, my favorite one is the NYX lip liner. Okay, next I have another Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Crazy in Love. This one is sort of reddish burgundy. Now this is totally different color, so I'm going to fill in my lips a bit more. Not so much in the middle, but on the side. And as you can see, you can go over as well. That has given me much pinkier look. Another favorite is Urban Decay Liar. Here is Liar. That one, it's also quite similar to the NYX, but it's got almost like a maroon undertone. So let's try this one as well. Again, don't just leave your lip liner like this, like a defined line. Fill it in a bit, and then you can also smudge it a bit with your finger. And when you're applying the lipstick, go over that lip liner as well. And here it is with the Urban Decay Liar. So yes, it's not a massive difference, but each lip liner makes this lipstick look a bit different. So it looks like I've got loads of different lipsticks, but really every day most of the time I just use this lipstick with different lip liners. Sometimes I will go on the top of the lipstick if I want to blend it and make it a bit darker. But that's what I do most of the time. So let me know what you think. It's such a easy, great trick to change the look of your lipstick. So that way you choose one favorite lipstick in a shade and tone that you like, but just for a change of mood. You can always adjust the look of it by using different lip liner. So let me know which one was your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye!